This is the 14-pack package of the Siete grain-free tortilla chips. We just picked these up from Costco. So if you're a fan of Costco, you absolutely want to check these out. This is a really great pickup. You get 14 of these bags, so you get sea salt, lime, and nacho cheese. Siete is a really great brand. This is what they look like right here. We use these for school lunches, grab-and-go snacks, things like that. What we like about these is, obviously, Siete is a great brand. It's made with avocado oil, so no crazy ingredients in there. And then what we like about this, too, is you know exactly what you're getting here. So you got 130 calories per serving. You get 1 ounce. You don't have to take them out of the big bag, put them in a Ziploc bag, weigh them, count them out, anything like that. They're already doing all the work for you. So you know exactly what you're getting here. You're getting 1 ounce of chips. Really nice size bag here. And again, you get the lime, you get the sea salt, and the nacho. 14-pack here. These are really great. This is what the box looks like right here. Costco always usually has these, and again, we're a repeat buyer of these. We usually buy the big bag of the sea salt flavor, and then once they have these, we switch to this because again, we like having the grab-and-go snacks here. So definitely want to check these out. If you see them at Costco, this is a really great pickup.